In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Instagram app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up App Store. If you cannot find App Store on your home screen, try to search on another one. And if you still cannot find it, just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up search and then search for App Store, just like that. That's how we can easily find App Store. And once we open it, we need to tap right here at search, then at the search box, and then just enter Instagram here. That's how we can easily find Instagram app. Now we need to tap right here to head over to the Instagram page, and here we can see this open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone. But if you don't have it installed, it will say get, or instead of the button there will be a cloud icon. Just click on it to install the app, and when the installation is complete you will be able to open the app by clicking right here at that button. And also on your home screen you will see Instagram app icon, and then you can use it to launch it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.